Alright, hello, this is Forrest McGee, and this is August the 2nd, Friday at about 3:30 in the afternoon, and just doing a detail walkthrough of 2105 Springdale. As you can see, I'm still one arm, so y'all please excuse the shakiness and the low quality of the video. But anyway, this is a progress video today. Last time we saw that the drywall was done and the painter was getting started, so the painter is down to, I'm going to walk in the other way because he's doing his thing right now. So painter has gotten most everything done. He's working on the outdoor stuff and some trim things, and he has painted this porch up, so it looks good. It was green. I don't know if y'all remember that, but now it is not green. And so we'll walk through this one. This is probably significant. You guys are gonna like this. So anyway, all right, here we go. The house is all painted, so it looks beautiful, right? Ceilings have been all done. The house is looking beautiful. The mantle got painted. All the trim's been installed. We canceled out all the pipe work from the old radiators. We had new trim installed. So this is the dining room here, and as it flows into the kitchen, so you can see how removing this wall was like huge, right? And it really, by taking out all the ceiling, you see no splices, you see nothing that would ever tell you there's a wall there. So we got the basement door. This is looking back in to the living room. You can see, I mean, there's no lights installed here, and there's a lot of natural light in this house, which is really nice. Laundry area got all painted and ready to go. Tile's actually going in today. He's working upstairs. You'll see in a minute. And then, so this is the bathroom. So let's see what else we got going on. We're doing this floor first so we can get the toilet in, because there's no facilities here right now. So we have this bedroom. I mean, what a transformation, right? There was mold up in the ceiling. It was all deteriorated and falling down. This whole wall was a disaster. And so now we've got beautiful walls. I mean, everything looks really good. This house is really coming together. Like I said, there's still some touch-ups to be done, but he's done a pretty good job. So, I mean, you can tell. So that was in the hallway. You can see how good the paint quality is. I mean, you can't see any variations. You can't see any problems. So anyway, closet got put in. Painted up. Oh, sorry. So everything got painted in there, and just a few little touch-ups are gonna be done. And so now we'll go on and head on upstairs. And this is, the railing's been primed, ready for the paint, for the black. And that's one of these cans sitting on the floor. And then let's see what else. All right, so we walk up the stairs. So we had a transition issue right here. My carpenter solved by creating this trim piece right here. It looks really, really nice. Did a really good job. And as you can see, upstairs is painted as well. And this is the bedroom right here. And really, really crisp line. Let's see. So the closet that got extended. I don't think I've done a video of it yet. This closet got extended. So turned out pretty nice on that. So tooth a little bit of wood in right there, but we're good to go on that. And then this is our tile guy getting ready for tile. And I wanted to do a better video on this bathroom vault to ceiling with you guys. I think you'll really like the way that this turned out. So everything is moving right along. We'll go look at the last room real quick. And then this is the last bedroom. And we trimmed that out, got that ready to be closed up again. And this house is coming along nicely. So again, nice line along the ceiling. This house is looking good. All the baseboard has been completed. Everything looks good. We spent the extra time and money to actually match the baseboard. I mean, this is really nice stuff. You don't see 8-inch baseboard anymore in the house, but this one has it. And this is how the top of this trim turned out. It starts right there, and it just goes around. They really did a nice job transitioning that plaster to the drywall. And that's it. So we're moving right along. Cabinets are ordered. Should be here anytime, and we'll get those mounted correctly. Floor guy starts on the rest of the floors on Monday for the ceramic tile. And what else? The yard's been kept up well. No issues there, except for the neighbors. The neighbors like to dump crap in the dumpster. And let's see. I guess that's it. This is a good little house now. And it's gonna be awesome. So y'all stay tuned. The next video will come out next Friday. I'll be doing a weekly video. I apologize for the video delays, but I had some health issues that just kept me from doing it. So I apologize, but we're back on track, and everything will get done pretty quickly. All right. So any questions, you can give me a call or email me. I hope you guys like these videos. I know I'm not going into much detail of what's going on, but I think that you can see that the progress is looking pretty good. Oh yeah. So we got this stairwell painted too, just as a side note. All right, cool. Thanks. Take care. Bye.